Hi everyone, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you in WhatsApp a new feature which is actually called communities. So, as you can see on the top left to the chats, we have an icon of people, and actually, what you can see is that it's possible to create a new community. So, let's move to that screen. Just a second, taking a bit longer. Here we are. Okay, so you see, we have a new community. Now, the new community, you can add multiple groups, and then everyone that goes in can actually see all of the communities. And there's also announcement group which is created automatically. So let's see how we do it. So click on new community. I give it a name. Let's call it Microsoft team. And I can give a description. It doesn't matter that much. This is a nice group. And I will click next. Now I can add existing groups or create new groups. Let's add existing groups. So I have a group which is called group 2. And I also have another group which is called group 1. I will add them. And you notice that I have an announcement, which is and that in the announcement, it's possible to send messages to all of the people in all of the community, which include both groups. Only the admin can send it. So once I click OK, now we see a community was created. The community is called Microsoft Teams, and it has group 1 and group 2, and actually also this announcement. So I can write here, this is a test. Each user only sees actually he cannot write anything, only the admin of the whole community can do that. So I sent it, and all of the people in the community can see it. So let's now, you see here also the user can exit the community, he can report the community or deactivate it. So if I go back to this community tab, I see a section that says Microsoft Teams, and I can see all of the uh, groups actually. And if I click on one of those, I see that it's part of the Microsoft Teams community. And if I click on it, I'll see all of these groups that belong to the community. Now, if I'm not part of one of those, I can request to join, and then the admin will accept or deny it. So this is actually a cool feature. Still checking to see how it is. So if I just go back and look at, so any of the groups that I click on, I'll click and I'll see all of the groups, and I can view. Now the admin of this community, actually, if we go in, let's do this and view community. Here on top, he can manage the group, he can create new groups or add existing groups. You noticed here, actually, you can add up to 51 groups. That's a lot. Now, each group can contain something like 512, so it gets to be a lot. Edit the community, we can change the title and the description, and view members. We can see all of the members. We can invite people. We can also click and make the user an admin or remove the user from all of the community. So this is what I wanted to show you. Test it by yourself. Just to show you how it is, what happens if I deactivate the community. So I'll just go to one of those communities and let's check again. View community. I can scroll down. I can exit. What happens if I deactivate the community? It will not delete the groups. So I get a message that groups will be disconnected, announced group will be closed, and community info will be deleted. And it asked me if I want to do that. And now actually each group is not connected to the community, and this announcement group is deactivated, so no one can do anything. Again, that's it. Bye bye.